Today we're going to do an unboxing video. This is the Ryobi 500 watt Pro Stroke. So let's have a look, see what we get in the box. For the exhaust, and looks like there's a spare blade there as well. Set of instructions. Put it on the side. Comes well packed. First look at it. You get a Allen key. Not quite sure what that's for. Oh, I see, that's to, you can see just here, just here, Allen key to adjust the way that we cut on the bevel, or nifty little idea. There's a switch here that blows the dust away from us. Nice little, blows it towards us, and then that would, I would say, blow it away. Quite stiff though. So, got a switch to keep it on if you needed to, if you were doing any work such as this and you had it attached and you were using it the other way around. Quite handy. Let's get the blade in it and see how we get that in here. A couple of other bits of kit. That's obviously for the waste. Obviously one blade, one spare blade. Just standard sort of blades. Right, I'm going to get these bits on it, and then I'll come back and have a go at cutting with it. I don't like the fact that you touch the worktop and that flips up in your way. Well, it cuts it okay. It's cut through that, no problem at all. But to follow a straight line with that on is near on impossible. I'm going to take that out of the way and give it another go without that on and see how we get on. We'll draw another straight line and right, let's have a go again. Not bad. Overall impressions are not bad of it. It cuts pretty well, and apparently this blade here, to the touch, it's not that warm. It's a little bit, but it's not that warm. It's cut through that, not too bad. There's It's left me hardly any sanding there to do on that piece of wood. It's not pretty. A little bit of burning just here, but that's only minute. I mean, that wouldn't take much to get out. Let's see how it coats with a, do a little bit of a squiggly line with it. Perfect. A little bit burning round here again, but nothing more than on a normal saw. I was checking the weight out of this and my other one that I have. This weighs a ton. I mean, it does the same as the Ryobi, but when you've been using this for about 5 minutes, you know that you've been using it. It plays havoc on your arms. There's not much vibration with the Ryobi. It's a nice tool to use. I quite like this bit here, where you can rotate it. It rotates quite nice. It locks firmly. It's got an easy change on the blade here. You just flip that over. Just flip it over like so, and then the blade either comes out or you put in. Ideal. You can attach your hose on the back of there and suck it out. It's a nice tool. Yeah, it's quite quiet really compared to some. Yeah, like that a lot.